ever been struggling to keep up with the constant demand of social media content for your business? What if you could both create posts quickly and efficiently to stay consistent with the stress? If we haven't met, my name is Razlin and I love to talk about anything along the lines of business, finance, and creatives. I want to help bridge the gap between people and finance through design and content creation. So I love sharing things that I believe could help you or your business to grow. And so let's jump right in. So we're gonna talk about 5 easy steps to create bulk content for your business using ChatGPT and Canva. Using social media for your business is key because it helps you reach more people, connect with customers, grow your brand faster, create an audience basically. To maintain strong online presence and maximize marketing efforts, it's important to use efficient tools. You have a lot of tools out there, resources out there, but I'd like to touch up on the platforms like ChatGPT and Canva so you can create content easier, save your time, and help your business stay consistent without needing a lot of other resources. So we're just going to focus on those 2 things for this video. And so the first step that I would like to go straight at is basically plan the topics that you want. So list out any financial topics or themes you want to cover, for example, budgeting, saving tips. So let's go straight and generate text using ChatGPT. So we can quickly generate articles, tips, posts on each topic that we would like. So I'm gonna turn on my screen recording here. So we're gonna jump right into ChatGPT and type our prompt, I guess. So help me create 10 financial terms and definitions that I can use for an Instagram post.
Please make them related to personal
finance terms that this on a table. And so first step is to plan your topic. So I pretty much knew exactly what I wanted to do. Second one is go straight to ChatGPT, quickly generate whatever you want to do. So here we've already clicked enter and it generated. Here's a table with 10 engaging financial terms and definitions and related to budgeting and savings for your Instagram post. So we have the term, we have the definition separated. And so next step technically is to create a template. But before that, we're gonna copy this and see, okay, save it. Perfect. So I've just copied the table. Now what I'm gonna do is actually save this or download it. And we're gonna download it as a CSV file. So you can use Excel sheet or Google Sheets, but I will show you with Google Sheets for now. So a CSV file, we're gonna come back to that later. So now we move on to Canva. Let's just start from scratch here. Click enter, and you can choose any templates that you have or that you'd like to use. Let's just use this one. Let's see, customize template. I'm gonna copy this, copy the definition here. So I'm gonna name this as a term, and I'm gonna name this as a definition. So these are gonna be your placeholders of your bulk creation. So the reason why we did a CSV file is we're gonna go through here in apps. We're gonna go through bulk create and upload data. Look for your downloaded file as a CSV. So if you can see here, it only accepts these type of files. So open your CSV file. As you can see, we already have exactly what we needed. So we just have to connect our data. So click that, connect data, click continue, and it usually defaults to selecting everything that you have in that data. So if you have anything that you don't want to, you can just unclick those. Let's generate 10 designs, and it will automatically generate, so you can see, 10 of those posts that you'd want to create. So what you're gonna do from here is just so now you can just edit the rest of it the way you like it. If you want to change the color, change the background. So now you're gonna download the visuals, and you can also schedule them for publishing across all of your platforms. So this is an example of Instagram posts. You can create videos, you can create so many other things, and I'll give you another example as well for this, which I just did a couple days ago. So I'll insert that right here. This is a quick example of bulk creating through Canva. So I've put the notes here quickly so that you can follow through with the process of creating. So if you have an Excel sheet or a Google sheet, such as like this, you have your file, and what you will do is actually go to File and Save As, and click through here and save it as a CSV file. You can name it, click Save. I've already saved mine, so that's the first step of the whole process. Now you go to Canva, and once you have your design, you should have your design already set up. So have your design set up and open down, go to this sidebar here, scroll down, and right here, click bulk create. And since you have your CSV file saved already, you actually have the option to enter data manually or upload data. So you can upload data from the file types of XLSX, CSV, and TSV. So that's why we saved it as a CSV file earlier. So upload data, that's what we're gonna choose. And like I said, I already had my file saved as a CSV already. So click open, and now you're gonna connect your data. So you have all of these categories or columns. You'll find all of those categories there. So what you're gonna do is find the place where you want to put it in. So for example, this is where I want to put the first name. So I will just click connect data, click right one, first name. And I will do the same thing for the last name, connect your data, last name. And that's all I wanted to do. So now I have all of the ones that I already clicked or I unselected the ones that I didn't want. And make sure that I have everything that I need. So now at the bottom here, it says generate 67 designs. So let's click that and it'll just create all of them. So I need to show you. So with that one click, I have everything already in place. And now the rest of it is just fixing the little bits of each one. So I just need to make sure all of these are good and some that I need to fix. But you get the idea of bulk creating. So if you go through that again, if you can see my sticky note here, have all of your files that you want to save, whether it is codes or names, whatever it is, title, description. Save it as an Excel sheet or a Google sheet with different categories. Make sure you name the first one, the specific placeholder that you want. For example, first, last, title, description, and then save that as a CSV file. Go to Canva, scroll down through the bulk create and upload your data, again, the CSV file that you saved, and connect the data to the place card that you want. And just click create and generate design, and it will do all the magic for you. Create 100 pages or 100 posts. That's the easiest way to actually create as much things that you want to do or designs that you want to do in, I guess, less than a minute or two. So that is how you can bulk create in 5 easy steps. Again, step 1 being plan your topics, have an idea already of what you want to create, then put those into text through ChatGPT. So generate the text, use ChatGPT to quickly create word articles, tips, definitions, or post topics, and go to Canva, create the template beforehand, have the design exactly how you want it to be, change the text fonts, the colors, the sizing, and once you have bulk uploaded your text to Canva through your CSV file, just connect and link your text fields to the Canva template that you have created, and that way you can bulk create the image that you would want. And then from there, export and schedule your posts, and that is exactly how you create all of those in just a couple minutes. Save your time, more content creating, and enjoy growing your business.